is Rachel Skillen-Martin. I am a coordinator of the Aspire project from South Dublin County Partnership. We've brought 3 schools today from South County Dublin to visit Trinity College. So we've been speaking to the Trinity Access programme, and they've been bringing students around, introducing them to current students as well in the university. A lot of these schools as well are from educationally disadvantaged areas and communities. The schools that have been with us today are DESH schools, so there may be young people in those schools that don't have any family members who have been to university. So this is really an opportunity for them to experience what university is like, get to go inside, get to meet people, get to meet staff, understand how it works to apply, and really just get a feel for what it would be like and that it's an option for them.
Yeah, I'd like to see myself here. I feel like it'd be a good opportunity and a nice place to go.
Yeah, it gives you a big insight into what college could be like. Even not even Trinity, we learned a lot about different colleges as well, college life in general.
Yeah, and how different it is from what we know now.
My favourite part was probably going into the museum building.
Yeah, mine was probably going into the sports centre and seeing the rock climbing wall.
I liked looking at the lecture halls. I think it was very interesting to see how different they are to different secondary school.
I think I'd study journalism or media.
And yeah, same, but I don't know what I'd study, probably something in science.
During the year, we'll be back in schools and we'll be bringing our professional volunteers from all different types of career sectors. So it's brilliant to have this opportunity to explore different career pathways and educational routes and make sure that they know that there's no barriers in the way to their success.
I would recommend it because it's nice to see what the campus is like before you actually have to choose what college you'd like to go to.
Yeah, it was very enjoyable.
Yeah. And the people, our tour guides were very interesting as well.
Thanks to all the organisers for today, we had a great time.